So our next tree we're going to talk about is white ash, and this one actually will take you through the bark because it is quite distinctive. And let's look down here. So white ash bark makes this very distinctive diamond pattern. So we can kind of see here, there's a bit of a diamond there, and a little diamond here, and another one here. That is very, very indicative of white ash, with these very tall ridges and deep fissures. White ash, diamond bark. White ash is also an opposite leaf, and it has a compound leaf as well. And actually I kind of want to make a point here. So you can see here this is an opposite leaf, but you can see up here it kind of looks like it's alternate. Opposite trees don't have to be opposite all the time. So when you're kind of examining a tree, you kind of want to get a few sample points just to make sure that you're right. But only opposite trees will ever be opposite. But they can also be alternate. Alternate trees will not. So again, getting back to the white ash in particular, white ash has a compound leaf, and again, opposite arrangement. The leaf itself has kind of wider and lanceolate or spear-shaped leaflets. Another way of just figuring out that it's white ash is its terminal bud. So again, opposite arrangement, but white ash terminal bud, the next set of lateral buds down from the terminal bud actually touch. It's called being appressed. They are appressed to the terminal bud, so they are touching or so close to being touching. Black ash, there's actually a bit of space between the terminal bud and the lateral bud, so that's how you can distinguish these two. A quick note, one thing you are going to get confused on almost certainly, because everybody does, is the difference between white ash and red or green ash. Red and green ash are the same thing, so white ash, red and green ash. They are extremely similar. The way that we figured out to tell them apart is the leaflets are slightly more narrow and a little bit longer, and the diamond pattern on the bark is a little bit more irregular than white ash. Really, the secret to this is going to be going out and observing a bunch of white ash and a bunch of red ash so you get a mental image of the two, because they are extremely similar. But for now, white ash, diamond pattern on the bark, opposite arrangement, slightly wider compound, pinnately compound leaf, and appressed lateral buds to the terminal bud.